So guys, you're welcome once again over here. This is how to fix FC Mobile not opening. So if your FC Mobile is not opening when you are trying to open it, then this is what you have to do. First of all, you have to tap on your power button for some while. Then after that, tap on the restart or reboot button. Then after that, tap OK to restart or reboot your device. When you try this and it's not working, this is what you have to do. First of all, you have to go to your phone menu and try to search for your phone settings. So when you find your phone settings, what you have to do is to just tap on it. After that, what you have to do over here is to just scroll and tap on apps and notifications. So when you tap on apps and notification, tap on see your apps. After tapping on see your apps, what you have to do is to use this search bar over here. So tap on the search bar, then over here what you have to do is to search in FC Mobile. So in this video I'll be using this app to replace FC Mobile. So let's say this is FC Mobile. So to fix the problem, just tap on FC Mobile, then after that you tap on force stop, then you tap on OK. Then after that, tap on notifications and make sure this show notification is turned on. So after turning on the show notification, what you have to do again is to go back and tap on permission. So when you tap on permission, make sure you allow every permission over here and not deny. Don't deny any of the permission. Go back and tap on storage and cache. Then you make sure you tap on the clear cache to clear the cache. Then after that, what you have to do next is to tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. So tap on the mobile data and Wi-Fi, then make sure the background data is turned on, as you can see over here. Then after doing this, what you have to do is to go back and go to Google Play Store to update this FC Mobile. So if you are using an iOS device, you can update it on your App Store. And after that, what you have to do is to tap on this section, which is the power button for some while. Then after that, you tap on restart, then you tap on OK, and this problem is going to get fixed after restarting or rebooting your device. See you in my next video.